Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to invite friends in Call of Duty Mobile. If you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, to get started, open your Call of Duty mobile game on your mobile device and then make sure that you are logged into one of your accounts. To invite friends, go and tap on the friend icon located at the top right in the middle of the mail icon and the gear button. Once you tap on it, now tap on the social friends icon and tap on invite friends button located at the bottom right. Now you can invite friends to join in with you on Call of Duty Mobile by selecting one of the messaging app. You can go ahead and invite friends using the Messenger app, WhatsApp, or directly from your SMS. If you tap on more, you can go ahead and select any other application that you can use in order to send in the invitation. Tap on the contact and you'll be able to see a pre-automated text displayed on the screen. Tap on send in order to send the invitation to the friend you'd like to add or invite on Call of Duty Mobile. Once your friend accepts your invitation, you'll be able to add them as a friend in Call of Duty Mobile. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.